Welcome back, learners. Let us start exercise 5.3, which is based on addition of polynomials. We need to add throughout the exercise. Question number 1, first part. I have solved this first part by both the methods, that is column method and horizontal method. आप जिस भी मेथड से कन्वीनियंट फील करें, आप वो मेथड सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Well, starting this first part by column method, I have written both the polynomials in a column. Keeping this thing in mind that the like variables fall under each other. So here you can see 3x and 2x are like variables. दोनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं, दोनों का साइन पॉजिटिव है, इसलिए 3 plus 2 will give you 5x. Similarly, 4y and 3y are like variables or like terms. Hence, their numerical part will be added, plus 4 plus 3. That will give you plus 7 y. Hence, your answer is 5x plus 7y. Solving the same part by horizontal method, I have written the first polynomial in a bracket, the second one in the second bracket, and I have put an addition sign in between. Opening up the bracket with plus sign will not change any sign in the bracket. यहाँ आप प्लस से जब सेकेंड वाला ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो कोई भी टर्म की साइन चेंज नहीं होगी. प्लस प्लस विल रिमेन प्लस, अगेन प्लस प्लस विल रिमेन plus 3y. Now grouping up the common terms or like terms, 3x and 2x are like terms, so I have grouped them, plus 4y plus 3y are like terms, so I have grouped them with a bracket. Now taking x as common, I will be left with 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 into x, plus taking y as common, we will be left with 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 into y. So 3 plus 2 will give you 5. 5 into x, 5x. 4 plus 7, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 into x will give you, 7 into y will give you 7y. Moving on to the next part, rest of the questions I have solved with horizontal method. So second part is add 2ab minus 3cd, taking this polynomial in a bracket, putting a plus sign as we need to add. Again, writing the second polynomial in the other bracket, 4ab plus 5cd. Again, plus sign से हम ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो टर्म्स की साइन चेंज नहीं होगी, they will remain as it is. So the first bracket will be written as it is, as there is no sign in front of that bracket. सेकेंड ब्रैकेट के पहले प्लस का साइन है, ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि प्लस के साथ में किसी भी साइन टर्म की साइन चेंज नहीं होती है. So 4ab plus 5cd is also written as it is. Now grouping up the like terms, 2ab and 4ab, I have written them. Then minus 3cd plus 5cd. So 2ab plus 4ab को हमने एक ब्रैकेट में लिखा, taking plus as the sign, क्योंकि जो बाकी के दो like terms अब ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे, प्लस की वजह से उनकी साइन चेंज नहीं होगी, इसलिए I can write 4 before the bracket and the rest 2 like terms in the second bracket. Taking the variable part ab as common, we will be left with 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 will give you 6. 6 into ab will give you 6ab. Similarly, for the second bracket, we will take cd as common and we will be left with minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 plus minus will give you minus. हमें माइनस करना है. 5 minus 3 will give you 2. Sign of the greater number plus will be taken. So plus 2 into cd will give you plus 2cd. Your answer will be 6ab plus 2cd. Take part number 3 as your homework. Question number 2, again we need to add. This time we are given with trinomials. Previous question में हमारे पास binomials के sum थे, इस question में हमारे पास में trinomials हैं. Keeping the horizontal method with us, taking the first polynomial in a bracket, putting a plus sign in between and writing the second polynomial in another bracket as it is. Opening up both the brackets, first bracket as it is open होगा, second bracket को plus की sign के साथ open करेंगे तो उसमें भी terms की sign change नहीं होगी. Now grouping up the like terms, I will have 3x plus 2x are like terms, plus 4y plus 6y are like terms, plus 5 and plus 8 are like terms. Now इन terms को हमने साथ में लिखा ब्रैकेट्स में, प्लस की साइन बीच में लगा दी, एज प्लस की साइन कॉमन लेने पर टर्म्स की साइन चेंज नहीं होगी. So 3x plus 2x, 3 plus 2 will give you 5, 5 into x, 5x, 4y plus 6y, 4 plus 6, 10, 10y, 5 plus 8 will give you 13. Part number 2 will be your homework. Try to solve it yourself. Part number 3, 4a square minus 7ab plus 8b square, it is your first polynomial, writing it in a bracket, plus the second polynomial, minus a square plus 10ab minus 3b square in another bracket. Opening up the bracket won't change the sign of any term. हम एडिशन कर रहे हैं तो सेकेंड ब्रैकेट के टर्म्स की साइन चेंज नहीं होगी. फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट के पहले कोई साइन नहीं है, इसलिए फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट भी एज इट इज लिखाएगा, टर्म्स एज इट इज लिखाएगी, उनकी भी साइन चेंज नहीं होगी. नाउ ये फर्स्ट स्टेप थी जिसमें हमने ब्रैकेट ओपन किया. सेकेंड स्टेप में हम लाइक टर्म्स को साथ में लिखेंगे. सो आइडेंटिफाइंग द लाइक टर्म्स, वी विल हैव 4a स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर. इन दोनों को हमने एक ब्रैकेट में लिख दिया. सेकेंड, minus 7ab minus plus 10ab, so minus 7ab plus 10ab, then I have plus 8b square, ये लिखा, minus 3b square, उसको भी लिख दिया. Grouping up the like terms, bracket में लिखेंगे 4a square minus a square in one bracket. Again the next two terms will be written in the second bracket, sign change नहीं होगी. ब्रैकेट के बाहर हम एक प्लस का साइन लगा देंगे. अगेन फॉर द थर्ड लाइक टर्म्स 8b square minus 3b square, they will be written in a bracket with a plus sign in front of the bracket. Operating them, 4 minus, यहाँ पर क्या होगा 1, 4 minus 1 will give you 3. So 3 into a square will be 3a square. Minus 7 plus 10, plus minus minus, 10 में से 7 subtract करेंगे, answer will be 3. Sign of the greater number will be taken, so plus 3 answer होगा, plus 3 into ab plus 3ab. Again 8 minus 3 will give you 5, plus 5, plus 5 into plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, b square will be your third term. So this is your answer. Moving on to the third question, add the given polynomials. You can see these are binomials, but 3 binomials are given this time. In the first question, we dealt with 2 binomials at a time. So writing these binomials in a bracket with plus sign in between. Opening up the bracket as it is, 4x minus 3y plus 3x plus 2y plus minus will be remain minus, 2x plus minus will remain minus, and y will remain as it is. Second step, group up the like terms. So I have grouped 4x plus 3x. Then I have minus 3y plus 2y and minus y. Well, minus 2 is a like term with 4x plus 3x. So तो x की लाइक टर्म्स साथ में लिखी है, y की लाइक टर्म्स को हमने साथ में लिख दिया। थर्ड स्टेप, हम इनको ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे। So the first three x terms, like terms are written in a bracket. The next three y terms, like terms are written in another bracket with a plus sign in between. हम प्लस की साइन इसलिए लगा रहे हैं क्योंकि प्लस की साइन लगाने से अंदर की टर्म्स की साइन चेंज नहीं होती है। तो हमने जब y की टर्म्स एज इट इज लिखी है तो बाहर हम प्लस का साइन लगाएंगे। Solving this, taking x as common, we will be left with 4 plus 3 minus 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 2 will be 5. 5 into x will give you 5x. Dealing with the second bracket, taking y common, you will be left with minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So minus की साइन को हम ऑपरेट करें, एडिशन होगा। 3 plus 1 will give you 4. Minus 4 plus 2, that will give you minus 2 into y. Plus minus will become minus. So your answer will be 5x minus 2y. Try to solve the second part yourself. Taking up the third part, 3a square minus 9b square is one polynomial. Writing it in a bracket, putting a plus sign, writing the second polynomial in second bracket, putting a plus sign, and writing the third polynomial in the third bracket. Your first step will be to open these brackets with the plus sign. So the terms will be written as it is, 7a square plus है, 2b square plus है, minus 3a square negative है, उसी की साइन के साथ लिखा है, minus 4b square minus 4b square लिखाएगा. Well, the second step will be group the like terms. So we have minus 6a square plus 7a square minus 3a square. I have written all the three terms one after the other. Then I have minus 9b square plus 2b square and minus 4b square. So the next three terms are written one after the other. Writing them in a bracket with a plus sign in between. Taking the common variable part as common, we have a square common in the first three. We are left with minus 6 plus 7 minus 3. On solving, minus 6 minus 3 will give you minus 9. Minus 9 plus 7 will give you minus 2. Minus 2 into a square will be written as minus 2a square. Dealing with the second bracket, b square is common. Taking b square as common, we will be left with minus 9 plus 2 minus 4. So minus 9 minus 4 will give you minus 13. Minus 13 plus 2 will give you minus 11. Minus 11 into b square. Plus minus will become minus. So your answer will be minus 2a square minus 11b square. Question number 4. This time we are given trinomials, 3 trinomials. In question number 2, we were given 2 trinomials at a time. Method same है, सिर्फ types और number of polynomial बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. Well, writing the 3 polynomials in bracket with a plus sign in between. Second step में brackets open होंगे, अंदर की terms as it is लिखाएगी. Third step में हमने group किया है like terms को. So x square minus 4x square and plus 7x square are like terms. Next, minus 8x plus 2x minus 3x like terms हैं, उनको एक के बाद एक लिखा. Then we have plus 5, minus 3 and plus 4. So they are written one after the other. Bracket में लिखें ताकि वो solve करने में हमें easy पड़े. तो next step में हमने उन्हें bracket में लिखा है. Well, minus 8x plus 2x minus 3x एक bracket में लिखा है और बाहर plus का sign लगा दिया. Now dealing with them, the first bracket has a common variable part as x square and we will be left with 1 minus 4 plus 7. solving them, on solving it, 1 plus 7 will give you 8, 8 minus 4 will be 4, 4 into x square will give you 4x square. Dealing with the second bracket, सारी like terms हैं, variable part x है, x को common निकाल दिया, numbers हमारे पास अंदर बचेंगे, coefficient -8 plus 2 minus 3, solve करें, -3 and -8 will give you -11, -11 plus 2 will give you -9, -9 into x plus minus will become minus 9x. थर्ड ब्रैकेट में सिर्फ नंबर्स हैं हमारे पास, 5 plus 4 will give you 9, 9 minus 3 is 6. So we are left with a trinomial 4x square minus 9x plus 6 as your answer. Take part number 2 as your homework. Let us start with part number 3. We have written the 3 polynomials in a bracket with plus sign in between. In the next step, I have opened the bracket. Bracket open करने पे किसी की भी sign change नहीं हुई है क्योंकि plus का sign था बीच में. Next step में I have grouped the like terms. So you can see I have 4a square plus 7a square as common terms or like terms, 5b square plus 3b square minus b square as like terms, and minus 8c square plus c square as like terms. Writing these like terms in a bracket with a plus sign in between. That is your next step. Like terms में से variable part को common निकालिए. We are left with 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 will give you 11. 11 into a square is 11a square. In the second bracket, b square is taken as common. So we are left with numbers 5 plus 3 minus 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 1 will give you 7. 7 into b square is 7b square plus 7b square. Minus 8c square plus c square. Taking c square common, minus 8 plus 1 will give you minus 7c square. Plus minus will become minus 7c square. So this is your trinomial. Starting question number 5, find the sum of the expressions. So this is a polynomial. It is separated by the next one by a semicolon. We have second polynomial. It is separated by a semicolon with the third polynomial. Since we need to sum these expressions, तो हम तीनों पॉलिनोमियल्स को ब्रैकेट में लिखकर उनके बीच में प्लस का साइन लगा के सॉल्व करेंगे. सेकंड स्टेप क्या है? ओपन अप द ब्रैकेट. ऑन ओपनिंग अप द ब्रैकेट, ब्रैकेट के अंदर की टर्म्स की साइन चेंज नहीं होगी, सारी टर्म्स एज इट इज लिखाएगी. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, राइट द लाइक टर्म्स वन आफ्टर द अदर विद देयर साइन. So 3x minus 4x plus 6x are like terms. 4xy plus xy minus xy are like terms. And minus y square plus 2y square plus 3y square are like terms. इन like terms को हमने ब्रैकेट में लिखा. ब्रैकेट में लिखने के बाद में बीच में प्लस का साइन लगाया. Solving these like terms, 3x minus 4x plus 6x में x कॉमन है, उसे बाहर निकाल दें. हमारे पास नंबर बचेंगे 3 minus 4 and plus 6. सॉल्व करेंगे. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 into x will give you 5x. सेकेंड ब्रैकेट की तरफ चलें. We have a common variable part as xy. Taking xy as common, in the next step हमारे पास नंबर्स बचेंगे 4 plus 1 and minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. 4 plus 0 will give you 4. 4 into xy will be 4xy plus 4xy. Now, for the third bracket, y square is the common variable part. We are left with numbers minus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. Plus 2 plus 3 will give you 5. 5 minus 1 will be 4. 4 into y square will be 4y square और आगे का positive sign as it is. plus 4y square is your answer. So you have 5x plus 4xy plus 4y square as your answer. Taking up the next question. Next part is, again we have 3 polynomials. We need to add these expressions. तीनों पॉलिनोमियल्स को ब्रैकेट में लिखने के बाद में बीच में हमने प्लस का साइन लगाया है, ब्रैकेट ओपन किया है, कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा वेरिएबल्स के साइन में और टर्म्स एज इट इज लिखाएगी. इन द थर्ड स्टेप आई हैव ग्रुप्ड द लाइक टर्म्स. एक्स स्क्वायर की एक 3 टर्म्स आएगी, एक्स वाई की 3 टर्म्स हैं और वाई जेड की 3 टर्म्स हैं. In the first bracket, I have taken y square as common. We are left with numbers 1, minus 2, and plus 3. So 1 minus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 3 will be 4. 4 minus 2 will be 2, plus 2. 2 into x square will give you 2x square. Second bracket has a common variable part as xy. Common लेने पर numbers हमारे पास बचेंगे -1, +2 and +1. तो +1 -1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा या 0 हो जाएंगे. 0 plus 2 will give you 2. 2 into xy will be 2xy. Third bracket, yz की like terms हैं. Taking yz as common, I will have 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Plus 5 plus will become again plus 5 into yz will give you plus 5yz. So your answer will be 2x square plus 2xy plus 5yz. Take the third part as your homework. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.